Hi everyone, and welcome to our tutorial on working with binary, decimal, and hex numbers. In this example here, we're going to take a look at how you can convert a binary number to a decimal number. So we've got a binary number here. We've got an 8-bit binary number. When reading binary numbers, it's just like reading a decimal number. Always read from left to right. So this is the binary number 011011101. Really have to say the 0 here, but just because it's an 8-bit number, we will. Next thing you have to do is figure out the value of each of the positions. So just like in a decimal number, the one to the farthest right is your least significant value. In a binary number, this then is your least significant bit. And if this was a decimal number, this would be the ones position, which is 10 to the 0, but it's a binary number, so it's position 2 to the 0. The next one to the left, if it was a decimal number, would be 10 to the 1s, or the tens position, but it's a binary number, so it's 2 to the 1, or the 2s position. The next one to the left of it, if it was a decimal number, would be 10 to the 2, or the hundreds position. In this case here, it's 2 to the 2, which is the 4s position. So you need to find the value of each of the positions first, and then what you're going to do is take a look at where we have ones, and for each of those we need to figure out the value in decimal for each of those. So you're going to do that. You're going to fill that in the bottom squares in the question. So we need to take a look at each of these here and say, well, we have one of these here. That's 2 to the 0. 2 to the 0 is 1. We have one of these here. That's 2 to the 2, so that's 4. We have a 1 here, so that's 2 to the 3rd, which is 8. This is a 0, so we jump to the next. This is 1. 2 to the 5th. This is the 32 position. This is a 1 here. 2 to the 6th is 64. And since this is 0, this is 0. So basically, we found each value in decimal, and then what we're going to do is go over here and add these up. So if we add up these, that will determine what the decimal value is of this 8-bit binary number. So we're going to add these up together, and once you add these together, you get a total of 109. So we figured out that binary 01101101 has a decimal value of 109. That's it for this tutorial. Take care. We'll talk to you soon.